Good evening, students. This is Sunita Gupta, your EVS teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. Now, children, let us begin with our second term with same zeal and enthusiasm. First of all, let me introduce you with the second term syllabus. Kindly jot it down in your notebook. First, second UT syllabus you jot down. Lesson number 12 and 13. Second UTs will be held in the month of November. And final term. Lesson number 15, 16, 18 and 19. This will be held in the month of February next year. I hope the syllabus is clear to you. So, let us begin with lesson number 12, Plant World, page number 90. Children, firstly, I'll teach you the parts of the plant. Just have a look. This thing I will teach you first, and later on we will come to this part, kinds of plants. Understood? So, parts of a plant. You might have seen all around us many plants are growing. In our school garden, you might have seen small plants, big trees. So, there are many kinds of plants. So, that also we are going to study in this chapter. And what are the uses of plants? So what do the plants give us? Of course, you all know this. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, medicines, rubber. All these things we get from plants. These are the simple questions. Now, let us come to the parts of the plant. This is a picture of plant which is given here. I will show you the video also in the next week. Here, this portion is under the soil. So root is there. Root grows first. When we sow a seed, the root grows first, and then comes this part, stem and all. So root is under the soil. It holds the plant. It holds the plant. Then stem is there. This is the stem of the plant. These are leaves. These are leaves. This is a bud. This is a bud. From this, flower comes out. Then flower changes into a fruit. This is a fruit. Then this is a flower. This is a full-grown flower. Understood? So let us read this. What is given here? A plant has many parts. The root grows below the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. From the soil, it absorbs water and minerals. When you pour water to a plant, it goes into the soil. Then this root absorbs that water and supplies to the whole plant. Understood? The stem grows above the soil. It has many branches that bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Leaves make food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. So leaves are the food factory. Means leaves make food for the plant. You will study in higher classes that with the help of process of photosynthesis, these plants make food. I mean, leaf makes food for the plant. In the presence of air, water and sunlight, a bud blooms into a flower. A flower grows into a fruit which has seed inside it. A seed grows into a new plant. Understood? Have you seen a seed in the mango? Mango has got a seed. If we throw the seed somewhere, a mango tree will grow from that seed. Understood? So, seeds are the main which have to be put into the soil, and then a new plant arises from the seed. Now let us see this. What is given here? Roots grow below the soil. That you know. Water keeps it moist. When we put water, then plant is moist, means it gets water. Then sunlight gives it warmth. Sunlight is giving warmth to the plant, means heat to the plant. Seed grows into a plant. Then the seed, this is seed. Seed grows into a plant. Then children, let us read this. Plant modification. Plants modified to perform some special functions other than normal ones. For example, roots. The part of the plant that grows below the soil is called root. That I have taught. They hold plants firmly to the soil. Some roots also store food and water. They are called storage roots. We eat those roots. For example, carrot, radish and beetroot, etc. These are roots. Have you familiar with this thing that the carrot and radish, they grow under the soil? Some of you might be having a garden, kitchen garden. So they might be knowing this thing, that these are storage roots, means food is stored in these roots and we eat these roots. Understood? Stem. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. Some underground stems like potato, onion, ginger store food in their stems. Cactus plant stores water in its stem. These are the storage stems. Means these also store food. These are what? Stems. Potato, onion, ginger. All these are stems only. And cactus plant stores water in its stems. I hope you all have understood this thing. These are modified roots and stems. Uses of plants. So this you all know. This is common thing. This you can answer easily. We get many useful things from plants. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Some plants give us fruits like apples, oranges and mangoes. Many plants give us vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, beans and spinach. Some plants give us food grains like rice, wheat and maize. We get wood from trees. It is used to make furniture, paper and even our pencils. We get rubber from rubber plant. Plants give us medicines. Tulsi, neem, turmeric, clove and ginger are used as medicines. Plants are used to make oil. You know, oil is used for many purposes, for cooking, for applying in the hair and many more things, for massage and all. You know what is oil? I think so. Coconut and mustard seeds are common examples. Plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. So, perfumes also we get from plants. Now, plants are very important for us. They make the air fresh and clean. This you know. Many animals like squirrels, monkeys, and birds live on trees. Plants also provide food for animals. So, we should care for plants. So, plants are home to many animals also. So many uses you have read. You have seen how plants are important to us. Is we must take a promise to plant 2 trees every time we cut down a tree. Every year in the month of July, a tree plantation drive is celebrated called Van Mahotsava. Its main objectives are to provide shade and shelter to animals, to encourage care for trees. So in the month of July we are celebrating Van Mahotsava. According to what is the actually objective of it, means motive of celebrating this, means we should grow more and more trees to encourage care for trees, to provide shade and shelter to animals. So the main motive behind this is not to cut down the trees, because trees are very helpful for us. That is the main motive. So we should not waste paper, because many trees are cut to make them. So you people are wasting paper making boards and all those, tearing the pages from the copies and making aeroplanes and all when the teacher is not there in the class. So don't do that. Don't waste the paper, and don't scribble and throw the paper in the dustbin. Understood? So rest of the lesson we are going to study next week. So whatever I have taught this week, you need to revise that much. Clear? With this we come to the end of the video.